Why are there not more people talking about the Wolfbox G840S? This dashcam is a game changer. Meet the Wolfbox G840S, the 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam that's got car owners buzzing. Not only does it record in super clear 4K, but it also doubles as a sleek, high-tech rear-view mirror. Imagine spotting every detail, from license plates to unexpected jaywalkers, thanks to its 170-degree wide-angle view. And nighttime drivers rejoice. Its night vision tech ensures you're never left in the dark. Installation a breeze. It straps right over your existing mirror. Plus, the touchscreen is as responsive as your favorite smartphone. Got a heavy foot? The built-in G-sensor has your back, saving crucial footage during bumps and scrapes. But hey, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some folks struggle with the size and Wi-Fi quirks. Overall, the Wolfbox G840S is a top-notch road companion. Ready to upgrade your driving game?